Cooking directly on charcoal coals. Steak, potatoes, and corn. See how I do it. You can't simply place a steak on top of charcoal, at least not the bag. You will need a fire, but not setting yourself on fire. You need hot coals to cook directly on the coals. So I start the charcoal fire first. I start with an ample amount of charcoal briskets. I do not want the coals to go out before I finish cooking the steak, the potatoes, and the corn. I add plenty of lighter fluid to the coals before lighting. I want to ensure that all the charcoal begins to burn. There may be those who see how much fluid I put on the charcoal and think it's an excessive amount. I don't think it is. And I like the flames. Charcoal usually takes between 15 to 20 minutes to become embers. I want them glowing red with a light gray ash coating. No flames. That will indicate that they're hot and ready for cooking. This will give me plenty of time to prep today's meal. Corn, potatoes, and porterhouse steak. Preparing the corn on the cob, I pull off the husk, rinse the ear of corn, dry, rub on some butter, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and wrap in aluminum foil. Preparing the potatoes, I peel off the skin, chop the potato into bite size, about 1/2 inch pieces, lightly coat them with virgin olive oil, add butter, lightly salt and pepper. I also add chopped onion. I place a few pieces of butter on top of the potatoes. Then I add the onions before closing up the aluminum foil. I am removing the potatoes from the charcoal briskets. They have been on the briskets for about 20 minutes. Placing the wrapped corn on the cob right on top of the charcoal briskets, they will take about 30 minutes. I'll turn them several times while they're cooking. I know that you are not able to smell the aroma of these buttered and onion potatoes, but let me tell you, the smell is wonderful. Preparing the porterhouse steak, I sprinkle garlic salt and black pepper and then wrap it in aluminum foil. It's time to remove the cooked corn and potatoes from the fire and add the porterhouse steak right on the charcoal coals. I cook each side of the porterhouse steak between 4 and 5 minutes, depending on how hot I feel the fire is. It's time for the big reveal. Let's slice this steak and see how done it is. Medium rare, and the aroma is fantastic. I know what you're thinking. This looks good. Well, let me tell you, the taste is much better than it looks. Grilled corn, grilled potatoes with onions, and a grilled steak, porterhouse, medium rare. This is delicious. Lynn and I are really going to enjoy this dinner. The YouTube channel, Adventures of Charlie and Lynn, also contains other adventures on the Blackstone Griddle cooking, travel trailer camping, road trips, forts, beaches, lighthouses, cruise ships, and more. Thank you for watching Adventures of Charlie and Lynn.